who actually controls dangerous goods transport worldwide? In the next few minutes, I'll break down the key governing bodies you must know. In this video, I'll explain the 4 main governing bodies: IATA, ICAO, IMDG, and UN model regulations, simple and easy. First, IATA. IATA stands for International Air Transport Association. It provides practical rules for transporting dangerous goods by air. So if goods are going by airplane, these are the rules airlines follow. Next, ICAO. ICAO stands for International Civil Aviation Organization. It sets the international legal standards for air transport. Think of it like this: ICAO makes the rules, and IATA applies them. Now, IMDG code. IMDG stands for International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. It is used for transporting dangerous goods by sea. So if goods are shipped by vessels, IMDG rules apply. Finally, UN model regulations. This is the foundation for all dangerous goods regulations worldwide. All other organizations, like IATA, ICAO, and IMDG, base their rules on this. Let me make this really easy for you. If it's transported by air, think ICAO and IATA. If it's transported by sea, think IMDG. And behind everything, think UN. That's all you need to remember. That's it, now you won't confuse these governing bodies again. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.